Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox an exciting kit. This is something that I have been looking forward to for quite some time, and I'm probably crazy for opening it right now because I have so many other projects going on, and we're in the middle of DP for pets, but I'm going to open it anyway because it's the Jetsons. So let me get everything out of the box, and I'll be right back. All right, so I've got everything out of the box, which was a little bit of a trick. Some of it was stuck in the bottom and did not want to come out. My toolkit had a little accident en route, but that's okay. So I've got my drills. It is a square kit, which I did not realize. I thought this was round, so awesome. I'm going to set those aside. You can see we've got our small sticker here for logbooks. If you've never used a logbook and you like keeping things pencil and paper, you can download my free logbook. On the About page of the channel, there should be a link to my shared diamond painting files. And if you click there, it will take you to all of the files that I have shared publicly on my Google Drive. And there are, I think, currently 3 different versions of the logbook. And there'll be 4 when I update it for next year. But currently 3 different versions, 2 8.5 by 11 sizes, 1 plain, 1 kind of fancy, and then 1 smaller kind of happy planner size, classic size if you use happy planner, that you can cut down and use. But they're free to download, so you can download them and use them yourself, so if you're interested in that. So let's set the stickers aside for a moment, and we're going to look at what came in our toolkit. I'm excited. This was my first, I think this is the first Diamond Art Club I bought this year that was like a new release this year. Okay, so I'll find something else to put them in since there's a hole in the bottom of that bag. But what do we get? We get a tray with a stopper. We get a bag o' baggies. We get their very pokey branded tweezers. We get a green diamond painting pen with a 4-placer and a 7-placer and a scrunchie, green to match. We get our heart wax. We get some very pretty kind of Sakura cherry blossom washi tape, and we get this very cute little macaroon cover minder. Okay, so that is the toolkit. Let me move this stuff out of the way and we'll look at our stickers. We've got instructions here, which I don't need, and I'm going to put it this way just so we can see since the image is horizontal. It's the Jetsons in their little flying car that I'm still waiting on, that I was promised when I was a kid, with George and his wife and Judy and Elroy and Rosie, their little maid. Now, this doesn't have Astro in it. I'm not quite sure why. I wish it did, but I'm waiting to see if they're going to do like small individual ones like they ended up with doing with Scooby-Doo and some of their other kind of Warner Brothers licensed stuff. So like maybe there'll be an individual George, an individual Rosie, maybe I'll get an Astro that way. We'll see. So this is not very big. It's 44 by 32, 33 centimeters. And if I turn it this way so we can look at the stickers, we get 52 colors. It looks like 2 of them are going to be fairy dust drills. And it looks like we're going to get 2 ABs. So 4 special drills, and we'll see what else is in here. I really did think this was a round one, so I'm kind of surprised that it was square. I would swear when I looked at it, it said it was round, but it's square, so. All right, so there's our colors, there's our stickers. Let me go get the canvas. Okay, I can almost get the whole thing on screen, so cool. So here is the canvas. Again, it is 44 by 33 basically. So let's measure. So it says 44.6 inches, no, 44.6 centimeters, sorry. So I'm getting, yeah, almost, well, I'm getting a little less than 44 and a half. But if we turn that over, it's 17 and a half. Yeah, it's a little less than 17 and a half as well. Oh, it's right at 17 and a half if I squeeze out all the air because it's a little wavy still. And then the other way is supposed to be 13 inches. So is it 13 inches? No, it's a little short of 13 inches and 32.9 centimeters. Yeah, I would say that's accurate for centimeters. Pretty close. So typical Diamond Art Club, I don't have any concern about the symbols. It looks like there'll be a nice mix of confetti and multi-placing, shading on the bottom of the little flying car here. Lots of confetti where all the characters are, but then some nice multi-placing, some blocks of color in the background in the sky down here in the bottom where I guess that's like clouds or just a lighter blue, I guess. All right, so again, we've got 52 colors. So let's open our drills. All right, this is the longest string of drills, so we're gonna look at these first. So we've got a purple, kind of a dark peach, a light gray, a kind of very pale yellow, a butterscotch color, a dove gray, a peach, a light purple, a very pale gray, a light blue, kind of a spring yellow, and then a spring green. Is this one of the fairy dust? Yes, it is. So I don't know if you can see in there, it's got all that lovely mica powder. I like these better than I like the glitter drills because it just is more of a fine shine to it. Some of the glitter just looks kind of blocky. All right, and then we've got 3 colors of green, a dark green, a middle green, and a light green. And we've got another kind of sky blue, a white, a light blue, kind of a very pale turquoise, and then kind of an electric blue. And those must be all the background colors because those have the most drills in the bags. Let's look at this string of drills. We've got like a dark turquoise, got bubblegum pink. No, that is just pink. Then we've got a yellow, we've got a very pale pink, a very pale tan, a light, very light lavender. That's all the black there is. There's another kind of orangey butterscotch, a dark green, a dark peach, a peach, and then we have 2 bags of this very, very pale blue, which I'm going to guess goes here at the bottom. Yes, is this kind of very pale blue kind of cloud color that goes at the bottom. All right, here's our last sleeves. Somewhere, I think I missed the second fairy dust drill. I can't remember now. I thought I only saw one. Anyway, I'll go back and look. So we've got a very dark purple, a dark pink, a very, very dark gray, a red. There's one AB, which is just a red AB. Where does this one go? Oh, those are Rosie's eyes and the end of her little antenna. Then we've got a pink, a yellow, then we've got our second pink AB. I'm going to guess that's, oh, I thought it was going to be lips, but no. But it is Judy's shirt here, so that's where those go. We've got a very pale tan, a yellow, a butterscotch, like a milk chocolate color, another light blue, a very pale sagey green, a pale turquoise, another light blue, kind of a burnt orange, 2 shades of turquoise, a lighter one and a darker one, and then a dark kind of dark watermelon color. So those were the 2 ABs. So let me find the other fairy dust and then we'll look and see where they both go. All right, so I missed the first fairy dust. It's this gray right here, this very pale kind of dove gray. If you can see, it's also a fairy dust color. And then we've got our yellow fairy dust. So where do these go? So the gray goes in various places in the little bubble of their car here. And then the yellow goes along as a highlight along the body, the bottom of the car here, their little flying car. So 2 fairy dust drills, 2 ABs, and lots of other colors. I mean, that's, if I take the fairy dust and the ABs out, that's still 48 colors, which is a lot for a painting this small. But I'm really excited to do it and see how it turns out. I can't wait to get this one started. I'm going to go ahead and sneak this one in this month, I think, even though I'm busy with DP for Pets. So I'm excited to see how this is going to go. I think that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.